The race is 5 o'clock. Aaron is riding his motorcycle in San Francisco. He is riding down Van Ness Street and comes to a stoplight. A red Ferrari pulls up next to him. The driver is wearing dark sunglasses. He looks over at Aaron. Aaron looks at him and realizes that the driver is Tom Cruise. Tom sneers at Aaron. He says, "When the light turns green, let's race." Aaron says, "All right, you're on." Tom says, "I'm gonna smoke you, sucker." Aaron says, "You wish. I'm gonna beat you and your sorry ass car." Aaron and Tom wait at the light. They rev their engines. Suddenly, the light turns green. Aaron and Tom take off. They zoom down Van Ness at top speed. Tom is winning. But suddenly, blue and red lights appear behind Tom. It's the police. They pull him over. Aaron zooms past Tom, laughing. He yells, "Better luck next time." Aaron is winner.